Put an egg on top of the corn and you're going to love the result. Let's get right into it. We will need about 7 ounces of corn, half a cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of green onions, 2 eggs, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Mix all the ingredients well. Everyone, I'd like to know which country you're watching me from. In the pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, add the mixture and spread it carefully. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Now flip it to cook the other side. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Spread it well. 7 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. 6 cherry tomatoes, halved. Cover the pan again and let it cook on low heat for 8 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Look how easy and delicious it is. The smell here is amazing. Thank you for your company. I look forward to seeing you in our next recipe. Enjoy.